Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Today we are going to start time and work. Time and work. Very important thing we have to remember here. Some points are there. If A can do a piece of work in n days, then his one day work is 1 by n. Second point you have to remember, if A's one day work is P, 1 by P, then he can complete the piece of work okay, in P days. If you remember these 2 points, we can solve number of problems. Okay? We can solve number of problems related to time and work using this logic. If a person completed the work in n days, so his one day work is 1 by nth part of the work. If he completes his work, one day's work is 1 by P, then he can complete the work in P days. So, this is reciprocal to each other. Okay? So, this way we can change the 1 day to complete work, complete day to 1 day work. Now, third point, if A and B can do a piece of work in 10 days and 17 days respectively, then their work done ratio is in the ratio is in the ratio 10:17. So, this is very important points we have to remember. Now, problems. Take a question 1. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. Okay. In 15 days, A can do a piece of work, and B can do a piece of work in 20 days. Then find each day work of A and B. Okay, A and B is each day work. So, very simple one. First question, we have to utilize this property. See here, in solution, A can do or A can complete, A can do a work in 15 days. So, n is what here 15. A's 1 day work is 1 by n, that is 1 by 15 over the part, that is this is 1 day work of A's. B can do second, B can do a work in 20 days. So, B's 1 day work is 1 by, here n equal to 20 now. So, 1 day work is 1 by n, that is 1 by 20. The part of the work, part of the 1 by 20th part of the work. Okay. Here also part of the work. Like this we can find 2 bit over 1 bit is over 1 by 5th part and 1 by this. Now, second question is there, if now question 2, if A's 1 day work is 1 by 12 and B's 1 day work is 1 by 18, then find that in how many days A can complete the work, and that also find that number of days that B can complete it. Okay. So, it has 2 bits. A's work is given 1 day work, we have to find A can complete the work in how many days. B's 1 day work is given, we have to find B can complete the work in dash days. Okay. So, question is lengthy, but solution is very easy. Given what is that, A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 12. Compare it with n. Let A's 1 day work is 1 by n. 1 day work is 1 by n. That implies n equal to 12. So, A can, that implies A can complete the work in n days, that is n days means 12 days. Just take the reciprocal over. Like that, B's 1 day work is 1 by 18. So, here n equal to how much, 18. So, B can complete the work in 18 days over. So, this is very simple one, just you have to take reciprocal. If you know 1 day's work, you know that in how many days that work is completed. Take a reciprocal, 12 by 1 is nothing but 12. If B's work is 1 by 18, 1 day's work is 1 by 18, then take the reciprocal of 18 by 1 is 18. So, B can be complete the work in 18 days. So, reciprocal is the solution for individual works. Now, second question, A can do a piece of work in 15 days and B can do a piece of work in 20 days. Okay. In how many days A and B together can complete the work? Together, A can finish the work in 15 days, B can finish the work in 20 days. If they together can work, so how much days required to complete the work? For that what you have to do, A's one day work we have to find. Okay, A can complete it in 15 days. Okay, therefore A's one day work is 1 by 15. B can complete it in 20 days. Okay, B's one day work is 1 by 20. A plus B, A and B means A plus B is 1 day work is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Okay. Now, just you have to add 1 day works, you will get A and B's 1 day work. That is called A plus B's 1 day work, means togetherly they can complete in 1 day this much of work. So, take the LCM of this. So, very simple method we are going to follow here. If we do not know how to take the LCM, then we have to write the denominators in a product form, just it is in a product form. Now, cross multiply 20 into 1 is 20 plus 15 into 1 15, okay, in denominator product and cross multiply it. 20 into 1 20, 15 into 15. So, this is nothing but 35 by 15, this is 35, this is 15 into 20. Any number get cancel it. Okay, it goes with this 5 sevens are, yes, this gone, 5 threes are, this gone. So, 3 into 20. So, this is nothing but 7 divided by 60. The part of work that means A and B 1 day work is 7 by 60. So, they can finish the work. A plus B means both can complete the work in dash in this much of days, 60 by 7 days. How much this is? If it goes nearly, divide it, otherwise put in a fraction form also. It is depend upon our bits. 7 8s are 56. Okay. So, what we will get here 4. So, we can write that 8 4 by 7 days. If your bit is this, okay, or otherwise in point form also you will get. So, it is 40 divided with 5 35. Again you will get this 7. So, 8.75 days or nearly or otherwise nearly, it will be nearly 9 days or absolutely in 9 days. So, like that we can calculate the both work. Okay. Now, question number 2, X can complete the work in 10 days, Y can complete the work in 15 days. If both together wants to complete the work in how many days they required. Okay. Again same question is there, we have to write X can complete the work in 10 days. Okay. So, X 1 day work is how much? 1 by 10, part of the work 1 day part. Similarly, Y can complete it in 15 days. We have to put days, 15 days. Then Y's 1 day work equal to what? 1 by 15, part of work. Okay, that is this part of the work. Now, A plus B's 1 day work we have to find. Here xy na, x plus y's x plus y is 1 day work is what? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Now take the LCM. Again simple method we are going to following. 10 into product of denominator, then cross multiplication type. Multiply these two numbers, 15 ones are 1 into 15, that is, and 1 into 10, 1 into 10. So, this is nothing but 15 plus 10 by 15 in 10 into 15. So, this is how much? 25 divided by 10 into 15. Any number goes, so you have to divide. Okay, it goes with 5, both number goes with 5. 5 5s are 5 3s are. So, this is nothing but 5 by 10 into 3. Again it goes, yes, 5 1s are 5 2s are. So, what you have? Only 1 in numerator, 2 into 2 in denominator. So, this is 1 by 6. The part of work. So, together they can together, if they together work, their 1 day work is 1 by 6. So, the reciprocal of this is, therefore, x and x plus y, that is x and y can complete the work, okay, in 6 days. 6 by 1 is what? 6 by, reciprocal of this is 6 by 1. 6 by 1 equal to 6 days only. So, this is your solution. Question 3. A can complete a work in 15 days. Okay. B can complete in 20 days. C can complete, C is also there. C can complete, 3 members complete in, suppose we are taking at C can complete it as, if we take a good number, then okay, we will take 10, okay, 10. Otherwise, our answer is in fractions. So, this is there. Now, we have to find that, find how many days required to complete the work all together. That means A, B and C are all together. Now, this is the question, solution is there, it is same. A, B, C are there, okay. A is 1 day work, is what? 1 by 15. B's 1 day work is 1 by 20. C's 1 day work is 1 by 10. Now, ABC all together, that means AB plus C, 1 day work we have to find. 1 day work equal to what? 1 by 20, 1 by 50, 1 by 20, 1 by 10. If those who do not know how to take LCM, there is no need to worry about it. Just write the all numbers in product form, okay, all denominators in product form. What is this? First number 15. So, if 15 is in denominator, there is no need to write this 15. Take these two numbers, multiply with 1, 1 into 20 into 10, other than the number which is in denominator. For second number, what? 20 is there. So, leave this 20, take the other two numbers with 1, 1 into 15 and 10 we have to take here, plus this is for non-mathematical students. LCM is problem for those. So, this is method 10 10 is there. So, there is no need to take 10. take other numbers. 1 into other numbers are 15, 20. Now simplify it. Just if you simplify it, so this is nothing but 20 into 10, 1 is there, 1 into something is same, 15 into 10, again 15 into 20. In denominator all three numbers are in product form. So, one way is there, if you take common, okay, take out common, make it simplify. So, first have 10, 10 here 20, so we can take 10 also. So, take one number. Why to understand easily we are taking 10 common. So, if 10 gone, 20 is left here first number, this 10 gone, so 15 is there, put plus 10 gone means 2 tens are 20, so it is 2, 15 into 2, this is for, okay, divided by here 15, here 20 into 10, this 10 gone. Again what number we can take? 5, 5, 5. So, 5 is also there. So, like that we can simplify it. So, if you take 5 here, so what you left? 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are here plus 5 gone. If you take 5, so what you will left here? 3, 5 3s are 15, na? So 3 into 2, 2 as it is we have to put because it is in product form. So, if you take in 5 in this one, so there is no need to check, whenever product is there and you can take common from any one of them, not both the numbers. Okay. So, this is there. Now, it goes against 5 3s are. So, it becomes very simple one. So, we can write this 3 plus this 7, 7 is 6, 7 plus 6 divided by, it is in product, 3 2s are 6, this is 7, 3 into 20, this is nothing but 13 and here 60. So, one day work is this. So, A plus B plus C can complete all together, all three, all can complete the work in 60 by 13 days. Okay, reciprocal we have to take 60 by 30 reciprocal can complete the work in 60 by 30 days. If you want to divide, okay, you can divide somewhere else in rough column. So, we will dividing here 60 with 13. 13, 13, 26, 39, 13, 4 side goes 12, carry 1, 4, 1, 5 and you will get 8 as, so again does not goes, put 0, 13, 6 7 if you take 7, 3 are 21, 2, 7 1s are 2 now, 13 6 it goes, 18 8 carry 1, 6 1s are 1 and 7. So, like that up to one place it is enough. So, this is 60 by 3 days is nothing but 4.6 days or approximately 5 days. It is written as approximately. Approximately they can all, if works together, they can finish the work in 5 days or otherwise 4.6 days. So, like this we can find the work done by the 2%, 3% simultaneously. Now, we are going to solve other type also. Now, third type, A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C can do it in 15 days and C and A in 20 days. If A, B and C work together, they will complete the work in dash days, bits are given. So, we have to get the solution or correct bit we have to find. Here A and B can do means A, B together they can finish the work. So, we write that, we have to write this A and B implies what? A plus B's work, A plus B is A plus B. can complete it in A plus B can complete it in 12 days are. So, A plus B's work we have to find. A plus B's 1 day work we have to find. Here and means we have to take plus. Together A and B can complete the work in 12 days. So, it is 12. 1 day work is 1 by 12. 1 by 12, that is 1 by 12. Like that BC is given. B and C implies what? B plus C's work. They can complete it in BC in 15 days. So, we have to write B plus C's 1 day work equal to what? 1 by 15. Similarly, C and A is given, that means C plus A's can finish the work in 20 days. So, what we have to find? C plus A's, C plus A's 1 day work, 1 day work, this also work equal to what? 1 by 20. If A, B, C, A and B and C, if A plus B plus C's 1 day work we have to find. This is our question mark. A, B plus C can finish the work in dash days, we have to find. So, first of all we have to find this taking this all together, two are there, two members are there. So, we have to write like that only. A plus B's 1 day work plus B plus C's 1 day work, this is B. A plus B, B plus C plus C plus A 1 day work equal to 1 by 12, 1 by 15, 1 by 20. Now, A's, how many A's are there? A 2 times, B 2 times, C. So, that means if you take, you write like this, 2A plus 2B plus 2C's 1 day work is this, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Take 2 common. If you take 2 common, so we will get the condition which is our required condition to AB's work. 2 times of AB's work equal to this. If you take LCM, okay, take the LCM and simplify. 15, now what again we have to write 12, 15, 20. Simple method without taking any LCM or that, just multiply the denominator. Here denominator is 12. So, there is no need to write denominator, this write the other denominator. So, it is 15 into 21 as it is there, 1 into this same, 15 is there. So, 15 gone, left numbers are 12, 12 into 20 here with 1 means same, plus here 20 is there. So, we have to write 12 into 15, these are the numbers. Now, again we have to write 2 times A, B, C's work, 1 day work equal to this much. Any number we can take common, just see here 10, 10, no 10, 5's we will take, okay. 10 is not there, we can take and multiply this also, we will get, otherwise multiply it and get 30, 2 is 30 in 300, plus this is 12, 20 is na, yes, 15 means this is 12, 12 into 20, 2, 12 to is 24, 12 to is 24, 0. Now, this is 12, 15, 12 is 15, 180, 15 10s are 15 10s are 150, 15 2s are 30. So, 180, it is 180 divided by, you have to write this number as it is. Why? Because we can cancel it easily. Now, we have to add or take 10 common or 20, 20 15s are 20 12s are, here 20 9s are, okay. We will take 20 common. So, we will get here 2 is 30, 20. Here if you take 20, so you will get 2. 20 means 2 0, 20 10 12 20 12 plus if you take 20 here, 2 9s and 0 as it is. Here 2 12s are 24, 0 as it is. Here 15s are this divided by 12 into 15 into 20. This 20 get cancelled. Why we have taken 20? To cancel this 20. So, we can cancel it. Now, take a turn. Now, you have this in denominator, numerator it is in denominator. Now, add the numbers, okay, or otherwise you can take 3 3 also, okay. If you take 3 common, what happened? 3 5s are, 3 4s are, 3 3s are. So, simple, divided by 12 into 15. This gone with this, your 4s are. So, you have this number, how much? 5 4 9 12. 12 divided by 4 into 15. Again it goes 1s are 3s are, 4 1s are 4 3s are, 3 by 15. Again it goes 1s are 5s are. So, 1 by 5. A 2 times A plus B plus C's work, one day work is this. So, move this 2 to other side. So, we will get A plus B plus C's. Okay, these 2 goes to other side. C's one day work is what? Here we have this number 2 into 5. Why? These 2 moves to other side, equal. It is in a product form. So, it comes in denominator. So, this is nothing but 1 by 10. So, A plus B plus C is one day work equal to 1 by this. So, they required 10 days. A plus B plus C is all together can complete the work in 10 days. So, this is your bit. I think is there somewhere else? Yes, C. So, C is your correct bit. Therefore, C is a correct bit. Okay. Like this we can find the solutions.